I'm going to bring the tractor around and try to push that log off of that stuff so we can keep cutting on it.
Uh-oh. Roll it over. Come on, Iggy, you can do it. Nothing for it to grab onto. You got your thing on the front. Got your hitch thing on the front. Your hitch thing. Yay, it's been moved. Boo, have to finish cleaning up the mess. Oh well, I got that big old pile there done today.
So I forgot to take the ball hitch attachment off, huh?
Yep, you did.
Well, I do things I'm not an expert at.
You moved it.